Not So Neglected Double O Railway Layout, Episode 17. I've been away for a while in Gwndolyn, out and about, and we went to the New Forest, intending to stay for just 3 days. Ended up as being away for 8 days or 8 nights, and I had a wonderful time in the New Forest. It's a beautiful campsite, and then in a country pub site in west or east Somerset. But anyway, while we were away, I didn't completely abandon the layout. I got my Cricut machine out, laptop out, and did some design work on the Inkscape, ready to load onto my Cricut machine, and cut out the ramp for Shingles Night Club. Now that's what I got up to. But I had the railway in mind all the time. So as I was sitting in Gwndolyn, I pulled up my Inkscape program there, and then found the one that I was working on. Pulled that up, there it is. Transferred that across to the Cricut. There it is there. Duplicated it because I wanted it 2 thicknesses, and then cut it out. Well, the first time I cut it, didn't work out very well. There we are. Have a look at that. It wasn't deep enough, and I had a load of trouble with trying to cut it out. The first time I didn't have the right settings, so I've done it again, and this time I've changed the settings on the Cricut machine to a heavier card and more pressure. Let's see how it works out this time. And by the look of it, yes, it's coming out much better. Much better. Save a lot of finger cutting with the knife. Okay, so that's good. We live and we learn, don't we? So there we have the 2 cutouts, which I shall now mount one on top of the other and glue them together so that it has the strength, and then I can put it into place. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Love it. So there we have it. They now have their little ramp, and they can go in and dance their heads off. At night time it will be different, I'm sure, but my next job is to put a lateral marker here for the portside entry to the harbour, and some form of little lighthouse around here somewhere or another. And also, at the moment, I'm feeding it through the lights through this transformer, which will also do for illuminating the marker buoy and the lighthouse. But I've got to find somewhere, I've got to make somewhere underneath here to mount that somewhere underneath there at the moment, not have a wire hanging around. But there we are. That's that job done. Well, if you've watched this far, thanks very much indeed for watching. And the next thing I have to do is go and edit the video of the campsites that we stayed in the New Forest, and then in Somerset. We stopped for one night on the way in a pub called the Mason's Arms, which is really good. Stayed in their field. But if you are interested in seeing some really good campsites then please look out for my next video, which will be the campsites. And for now, thank you very much. Bye bye. BFN. Bye for now.